you doing, everybody? Welcome back to our page. Today we're going to be sampling some Faygo sodas. I was excited.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my page. You already know who it is. You already know who I'm with. And you already know what we're doing by the name of the title. Today we are reviewing some Faygo soda. You feel me? We only got four flavors. I said four. Four flavors. We only got four flavors because we didn't really want to go driving around all day for this. So that's all we could find. You feel me? So we have what, pineapple watermelon, cream soda. That was what's that? Peach, and we have cotton candy. So we're going to try all four of these sodas out. And we also going to see who has the biggest burps, you know? You already know who that is. Come on now. Let's be honest.
It's me.
It's okay, but yeah. So we're going to go ahead and open up one of these sodas or two. You feel me? Is there anyone you want to start with in particular?
Sneeze. Anyways,
yeah.
I think we should just go down the line. Let's start with the, I'm going to assume the nastiest, which is cotton candy.
Alright, so we're going to open the cotton candy first. You want to give her a twist, you know?
Wow. So first of all, first bit of review, what was that? Because there's like hardly any carbonation. You can clearly see.
It's going to be sugar water. Yes, we're going to drink out the same bottle. Hopefully she doesn't have cooties.
Definitely tastes like a cotton candy.
Y'all probably thinking, COVID! We share it! So,
What do you think?
I was like a 6 or a 7.
I give that shit 4. Because to me,
It was
disgusting cotton
just
candy
like-
flavor.
It was good, but it just wasn't carbonated enough.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, next we're gonna open the peach, okay? Hopefully this one's better. What? It just broke the seal!
There's nothing fizzing. There's like no fizz. Y'all see this? None. Yeah, there's like, it's like a really flat.
That's flatter than the earth, bro. That's a flat soda. Now, I don't know if this is where I got it from, or that soda is flat. Okay, there's no burping coming from that. I just drank syrup water.
Here, I'm not going.
No, don't shake it. She's one of those. Oh my God. What if I want to drink it later?
We didn't even really, what do you rate this one, Peach?
Oh yeah. That was like a 1.
I was gonna say like a 2.
A 2 for the flavor, and then the cream is
Like a 5 or 6.
like a 6 again.
Yeah. I'm really hopeful for this one, guys.
This is the pineapple watermelon, alright? Please! There's hope! There's hope!
There is no hope.
That one is the most carbonated and tastes the best. That one tastes the best. Definitely. That one, yeah. That one's like an 8. That one's 8.
Yeah. I'd give it more like a 7.5.
to compete. She wants to compete.
Yeah.
This one's fire. Those three, man. I'm gonna drink them. Cause I bought them.
I'm sorry. At this point, my tummy is still so much air, fam. I got to let it out.
She said, I got to. You want some soda? Have you guys ever tried Faygo? And if you have, what is your favorite flavor? We don't care about Lil Mosey like in blueberry Faygo. I'm asking you. What is your favorite flavor? Okay, drop it in the comments below.
Just like peach and cotton. Don't hate on the pinkies up. At least I can produce it. Are burps called mouth farts or?
Fucking growling like a bear.
Yeah, it is like a growl,
Growl, bro.
or kind of like a demon, a belly demon. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Last sip and I'm out. Pours it all over your clothes.
Let's get to the other side. Fine, you don't have to worry about me. Feelings or ego not crushed. At all.
She asked me why the chicken crossed the road, y'all. This girl, Faygo, what do you have in here? Like, what the fuck? It's that benzate, potassium benzoate. The fuck? That's that malic acid. Yeah, that benzoate. What the fuck you say?
Where is the Louisiana?
Benzoate.
It's benzate, right? Or like the O. That's why.
Becoming atomic and shit.
O80. OT. Benzoate. If you...
It smells like soda and queso. We're done!
So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Please.
Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we do what? Post another